What's up guys, I'm Nick and this is Build Dad Build. And if this project goes as planned, tonight
we dine in hell.
Okay, I don't know about the whole dining in hell business, but I have always wanted a pit in my backyard that I could kick people into. You know what I'm talking about, like solicitors come to the house or something, you could just kind of walk them around the back and then give them the old Sparta right into that pit, like, you know what I'm talking about? This is Sparta! Okay, I keyed. We are building a fire pit, and this always bites me in the ass when I say it, but this should be a quick, easy build. This is just labor intensive. There's not a whole lot of skill here. This is definitely a
Build Dad Build kind of project.
So, let's get to work. But first, I am a slut for some coffee. So, I had the shirt made. If you love the magic bean juice as much as I do, merch link in bio. Okay, so materials for this project came in at right about $100. If you go for the cheaper pavers, you could probably come in more like 80. Basically, you're gonna need 30 pavers, a couple bags of gravel, some sand, and some construction adhesive. And the acceptance that your back is gonna hurt tomorrow.
Let's do this.
Okay, once you get those roughly placed, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come in with a shovel, I'm gonna cut in all the way around there, and we're just gonna clear out all the grass. Obviously this is the hardest part of the build because this is the most labor intense part of the build there is. And I hate shoveling, but
let's dig this.
All right, so now that we have our circle cleared away, we're gonna come in with sand, we're gonna pour sand in here, and we're gonna use that sand to level the area before we put our stones back down. I forgot to mention, one, make sure you check with building codes to see how far away from the house you need to be to have a fire pit. And two, and I almost forgot about this one, check your HOA guidelines and make sure that it's okay to put one in. If there's something in your deed restrictions that says no permanent structures, you can put the stones in with no construction adhesive, and that technically makes it not a permanent structure. I don't know if that's true or not. I just read it someplace on the internet.
So that's gonna be true, right?
Okay guys, so that had to be one of the easiest builds I've ever done on Build Dad Build. I really figured I'd run into some sort of problem. I did not. Hold please. That whole build took about 2.5 hours and I ate lunch in there. This bad boy is easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy.
I did want to mention real quick that the reason we do 3 different kinds of gravel, we do sand and then we did pea gravel and then I did some crushed granite. You could also use that lava rock. I just don't personally like the way that stuff looks, but the reason you're going to use 3 different kinds is because when it rains you want the water to be able to drain out through the bottom, and using those 3 different kinds of gravel, it acts as kind of a filtration system to get it out of the pit. And a special shout out goes to
Rocks.
Actually, a special shout out goes to all of you guys. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching this build. This is definitely a beginner level build. Super easy, super cheap. I expect every one of you to go out and build one of these next weekend. And while it may not be the season for it, it's always the season for burning stuff around the Build Dad Build household. As always, an extra special thanks goes to all of my Patreon members. I'll list those guys down below, especially my Boilermaker members or the top tier patrons. That includes Nick the Greek, Stephen Mann, Easy E, Derek Coates, Caveman Ross, Chuck Faulkner, Puffy Muffins, and Mike Penrod. Here's to you. Maybe y'all can come over and we can have some
s'mores or something.
Alright guys, if you like this video, hit that like button. If you've not subscribed yet, do me a favor and subscribe. It helps out more than you can imagine. And until next time, thanks for playing. And now I gotta get to work. What the fuck is up with my lens, dude?